So if you have water leaking out in front of your refrigerator, I'll show you how to fix this yourself without calling for an expensive repair. So I have water coming out from below my refrigerator, and we've got the buckling in the wood here. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's really bad. Now I took this plate off. So you see all those cobwebs and whatnot? I haven't had this off in ages. I'm going to vacuum that out, but there's a pan right here. And I'll bet you that pan is dry. So let's vacuum this off and take a look. So just as I suspected, it's dry. Now you can see the fan and the coils running. The way this is designed to work is that water drips down there and this fan evaporates it. But the reason I pretty much knew it was going to be dry was the hose must be clogged going down into this. So I'm going to have to go from the top and clear that clog so we can get water to come down here instead of spilling out the refrigerator door. All right, so let's go inside and take a look. So you can see, here's the problem. We've got water spilling out here, and then it just rolls to the front and just comes out the door. So the first thing I'm going to use my Lean Green machine to suck up the water. All right, I've removed the drawers. Now what's going on? You got a pan down here. And so I think it's just overfilling that pan. I can see there's water in it. And it's just not going down the drain hole. So let's start doing a little bit of disassembly here. Right, now this piece is a deflector shield. So when water drips down right here from the coils, it just diverts it into the tray. So I'm going to take that off so I can find that hole. Alright, I found the hole. So it's clogged, and so this is going to be pretty quick. The hole is right there at the end of my flashlight. See it right there? Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to clean that out. We're going to get this thing to work. Now the first thing I tried was take a little bend in the wire and shove it down there and see if I could get it at the beginning, but it turned out that the clog was much deeper, so I had to move on to plan B. Now here's a teaspoon of OxiClean, and I found it very handy to dissolving food particles like this, so I'm going to put that in there. I got some hot water in the microwave. I'm going to pour in there. See if we can kind of loosen that grease up a little bit. Ah, there it goes. Got it. Okay, finally. We have a winner. I got it. So I'm going to run some more water through there and clean this up. Very difficult to see, but it's, you know, back there about 1.5 feet. But that's going to work. So I'm going to clean that out and put that back on. Oh yeah, look at it drain now. Oh, perfect. Fixed. Alright, I'm all done. So you can now see the drain hole, and as you can see, it's completely dry. And so we'll fire up the fridge and let it go through its defrost cycle, and then we should be good to go. And so that's the first thing I would check if I were you, if you have this problem. And just something real simple like that that goes haywire can cause a lot of problems. So I just need to put this plate on right here and we're good to go.